Kemere juga sang Voice of the People Party mentagasi ke arah pendatik udalat ajar apsau kelami jendat no na po yun watau anjong ke jela na walk out no na kada ko jeng persya ya menteri kata puli putih jong sarkar jela urakam sangma makadau ke jeng mi jendat juki MLA jong sang VVP kalong bakim kwa bauni menteri ubari pe ya kata puli putih un aya ke jubab halo ke short duration discussion ke barawan ra da ba aran bila bersama hakabede bagajing tungkam tungjam apa dadeng kri civil subdivision nakalang ba adan huan ra yang digajing yatai udapan pau khmat juga yung da ba thau an ba omkwa ba menteri kata puli putih un aya kani ke jubab handai ukwa ba menteri rang ba na ni ki arngot ki menteri rang ba na ni we ne preng ki menteri rang ba sembut ki jubab ni ke jubab kadau kalong ba badan ula ong ba omkwa ba menteri ani unong mi khmat ba cukran di kentian ke banra ka jing pher jai benreu pedeng jai benreu khasi bat garu un aya kani ka jing juba ba ada ula kadau ya kani da ka sim masat ya ka jing kran jong urakam sangma ka por buyalap election ka por election MP ha ka mula ther teng ya ka sang VVP da ka ba ong ba ka sang VVP ka wanra ya ka jing pher jai benreu ba ula ong ru urakam sangma ha ka ni ka jing kran ha ka jing lap election jong ha ka wei ni ki benta jong Gar Hills ula ong berada job ka VVP kanon ra ka jing pher jai ba khrau ni ka jing omsna ma preng jai benreu garu ba ka jai benreu khasi kumta uba adan ula kentu yo speaker ban numsya yo neu menteri jong kata puli putih ban juba hani ban sya dan ban ailat yo menteri rang ba ni we na ki menteri rang ba sembut bagan juba ya kan di ka jing tai asua baki MLA jong ka VVP ken mi jendat non apa yung da ba thau an uba preston tensong ubolong ru ka juga por menteri ba pek ye ki kam yung da ba thau an ula ong bakani ka jing keno MLA jong kanong kram kalong personal na kalong ta simet ya urakam sangma obolong ro ko por MLA le khat jaga yen ba thau an kum taw la kan tu ya ka yen ba thau an bakan wengno e kani ka jing keno na maka ta simet ya khat jong ka yen hande uba dan ula ong ba ula simbe ya ka jing kran jong urakam sangma obolong ro ko por MLA hakabedi baka jing aila ban jubab ya urakam sangma nakalang ba person song ula ong ba kum kirul ki an penya yang ba thau an ka kamram jong menteri ba pe ya kata ba on jubab mana ka juga poru nakalang jong deputy speaker Timothy Dishira ula ong ba ula aila ya urakam sangma man aya kani ka juba nama ka man ka bele keren baik tang sapang ka puli putih bat namar ba menteri udan apa yang ba thau an kumta dai ma uban jubab
Dan Miller Summit MLA please.
Sir, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this issue under a short duration discussion. The manner in which teachers were appointed. And before I proceed, through you, sir, I would like to express that this discussion would be indeed directed to the Chief Minister, as I don't want to engage myself in a discourse with a communal person who wants to see wars between the Khasis and the Garus, who wants to see bloodshed, and in his campaign during the last MP election, he had made an allegation against us and the hate speech that he has made. So therefore, sir, I would request, through you, sir, to the Chief Minister to kindly take this as a subject to be dealt in this sitting, sir. Sir, if I were as communal as him, sir, I would not have chosen to associate myself with the Garo people since the late 80s. And as a party, we had already filed an FIR against the concerned person, and I hope that the government will not prevent the concerned authority to initiate action against the minister.
The Honorable Minister in charge to make a reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir,
Yes.
as I've mentioned in the start, I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice,
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule, as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Aden Baselmoit, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to, first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because the
He
word
made a public
communal-
statement, sir. It is
communal
not a personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise.
Sir.
We don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
It is not
statement,
a personal. It is
in
not
the-
a personal. It is a public speech
Sir,
where he made against us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let the course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
Because he is an MLA.
conviction,
We bring
or
it inside the house
it's
because
only
he's an
the
MLA.
allegation. So, sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house?
should not be no-
That
there
is
should
my point,
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
Because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. Sir. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government. Sir.
as per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place regarding one department, the minister in charge of that department concerned will make a reply. So I allow the education minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. Yes, no. Should we listen?
Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected, and we are the good citizens. Sir, Deputy Speaker, sir. So, education makes the people integrated. Education makes the people sound life. Therefore, sir, I understand everybody is concerned about education and of the entire state. And if you need to see our state grow, if you need to see our community grow, if you need to see yourself to grow, we should be educated well. Sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, if you look at the history of our state, our region, American missionary comes to the hills region to preach the gospel and to give the education. That high integrity, that legacy we must carry on. Therefore, sir, on this, would like to thank Honourable Member from Nongkrem, Adan Bosumot, for bringing the short duration discussion under Rule 50 and conduct of business. On authority concerned did not take any step to rectify many irregularities that took place in the process of recruiting the teachers in the Dengri subdivision. Sir, would like to thank Honourable Senior Members of this August House, Sir Ronnie, Sir